Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hold on. So for this video, basically we're doing a maintenance, get ready with me type of video. It's my birthday month, birthday week. I'm just so excited. But yeah, it's crazy because I feel like I just turned 20. So now I'm turning 21 in like a couple of days. It is 11. It's probably midnight right now, actually. I usually do my own eyebrows. So right now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And this is what I use to do my eyebrows. I've never went to get them done like professionally. This is what I use. And it works every time. It could be different for everyone, but this is what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna show you guys how I use it. I haven't done them in a while. So let's see. I just start by putting a little bit on the cap right here. That's why it's like dirty. But first I'm gonna wipe my eyebrows. I usually don't do this, but I am wearing a little bit of makeup. Okay, so now that I wiped off my eyebrows and they're nice and clean, I'm gonna brush them. I'm gonna use a tip of this brush and I'm gonna take a little bit like this. So you have to be very careful with this part because you don't want to wipe your whole eyebrow off. Just like, oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, basically you just outline where you want. You gotta be very careful and make sure you have a mirror. Look at my setup. Actually, don't. Hold on. So the first eyebrow is done. Should I do it thinner? No, this is good. Okay. Now I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow. Okay, so both eyebrows are now done. I'm gonna let it sit for about like 2 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So now the next step is to wipe it off. So it's been 2 minutes and now I'm gonna wipe it off. So I'm just gonna get some water and just wipe it off. And all the, oh, interesting. Ooh, gotta use a mirror to see. Okay, I did the first eyebrow and I brushed it out a little bit. I'm gonna need to trim the top. Hopefully they'll even. Okay, so I just wiped it off. This is what it looks like. I'm going to need to trim a little, but they look pretty good. They are thinner, how I want it. Oh, whoa. Let me calm down. Oh. So the first eyebrow is done. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So I'm gonna do the same thing, just brush upward to see all the hairs. Ooh. Just trimming them, and this is what they look like. So I added a little bit more just to get rid of like all the small hairs. And then I'm just gonna wipe it off. So this is my eyebrow routine. This is what I do to my eyebrows. I've never got them done professionally, although I should. It would probably look so much better, but this looks good and it's free. Baddie on a budget. So I'm just gonna wipe this off and then I'm gonna go wash my face and I'm gonna do a face mask. The next day, eyebrows are done. So I have a nail appointment and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna do my hair and say hey puppy. Oh, okay. He don't want. So yeah, I'm about to leave in like 5 minutes and I want to make it back before like 5 p.m. This is the outfit for today. Something simple, you know. I'm just gonna get my nails done and I'm probably gonna go to the store. But I'm just wearing these sweatpants and just a regular top. But yeah, and I'm wearing a waist trainer just because it helps with my posture and it snatches my waist. So yeah. So I'm ready to go. This is my outfit, my jacket. I'll see you guys at the nail salon. So I just got back from the nail salon. These are my nails. They're so cute. I love them. So the last thing I have to do is my hair and I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'll be done. I'm all packed and we're leaving tomorrow. So yeah.
Mom,